So this is about as difficult as you're going to see an exponent problem on either test, honestly. So one way you could solve this is actually just use your answer choices, right? So if I wanted to test out A, I would plug A in for K, right? 3/2 to the 3/2, and I'd plug it in my calculator 3/2 to the 5/4, and I'd check, is this 50% larger than this, right? So you could easily test this out and let your calculator do all the work. It would be a little time consuming, but again, it's a totally feasible way to solve it. To actually set this up algebraically though, right, I'm going to write this out, right? I'd go K to the 3/2 is 50% larger than would be 1.5 times, right? So not 0.5 times it, because that would just be half, right? So we'd want 1.5 times it. 1.5 times K to the 5/4, right? Now, like any algebraic equation, I want to get all the variables to one side, right? So I want to get this K to the 5/4 to the other side, right? And to do that, I divide by K to the 5/4, right? But remember that when we divide exponents, it turns into subtraction, right? So that's really important here, right? So I would have K to the 3/2 minus 5/4, because if I divide those exponents, it's going to be subtraction, and that equals 1.5, right? Now, 3/2 minus 5/4 is 1/4. You can just put in your calculator. K to the 1/4 equals 1.5. Now to solve for K, so to undo this 1/4, I would want to raise both of these to the 4th power, right? And then I would get K equals, I'd put in my calculator 1.5 to the 4th. I'd math frac that, and it would tell me it's 81/16. Answer choice D.